This is what they call silent before the storm hits. Oh yeah, look at the mountain up there, huh? Yeah, you see it's up there. This big crow. Yeah. Hello, my friend. Yeah, hello to you too. Hello, birdies. Yeah, it's my bird friends arriving soon. The seagulls. Only one of the art here now. Let's move it down to the water, kids. Come on. Come on, kids. You took it all. Here's my favorite, this one. Yeah, buddy, hello. I recognize you. Yeah, yeah. Tough guy. Oh yeah, the ladies too. Look at it. He's so wonderful. Yeah, let's get down. Come on, buddy. Yeah, you are my favorite, you know. But it's not nice to say that I like you all. Especially you. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Look at it. It's much nicer down by the water, you know. Hello, everybody.